Red ants built a separate hill, wrote the rules with a mandible quill. Black ants stay on the other side, different tunnels, different pride. Signs on the dirt said red ants only. Black ants working, red ants strolling. Every grain of sugar catted up, every crumb that filled the red ant cup. Gold ants run across the plain, fastest legs in the whole terrain. Muscle fiber tuned by 1,000 years, built for speed that just appears. No training manual, no written guide, just biology along for the ride. Jade ants in the eastern hill, calculating precise and still. Mapped the stars before the rest, built the compass, passed the test. Intricate craft down to the thread, art so fine it left ants dead from the beauty alone. Brown ants reading the ocean floor, navigating without a shore. Grew the crops, named the plants, fed the colony, not just ants. Wove the fabric, told the story, oral tradition carrying glory. Architecture without a nail, mathematics on a different scale. Then the red ants showed up with a flag, called the other hills a drag. Primitive said the mandible mouth, while loading sugar carts heading south. Conquest ants with a clipboard list, taking notes on what was missed. Discovered hills that already had names, renamed everything, continued the game. Special ability unlocked after years, drinking cow milk without the tears. Lactose tolerance, the crowning gift, the biological superiority rift. Medder ants bloated, red ants fine, sipping dairy down the line. That's the trophy on the shelf, milk drinking, conquest of self. Built on other ants' backs and land, then wrote the history with a red ant hand. Then the black ants started growing strong, looked around and said something's wrong. Counted grains and followed the trail back to who was tipping the scale. Suddenly the red ants got a new song. All ants equal, all ants belong. Funny how the math works out after all the sugar's been moved about. No coincidence in the timing of the switch. Equal talk lands after filling up the ditch. The hill already built, the tunnel's already deep. Equal ants now, just don't count what red ants keep. Gold ants still running laps around the track. Jade ants still calculating, never looking back. Brown ants still navigating open water. Red ants holding milk, somebody's daughter. Wrote a book, said all ants rose together. Left out who controlled the weather, left out who named the hills, left out who sent the bills. Anthropologists came with a little pad. Red ants invented the hill best culture had. Pointed at the washboard on the wall, said look at this contribution standing tall. Other ants got pyramids, rhythm and stars. Red ants got a washboard and dairy bars. Mound was built on borrowed bags. Sequel now, just don't check the stacks.